Oh, hi. I'm Lieutenant Cardinal with the Oak City PD on bird patrol, and I'm here to teach you a few things about bird safety. We want you to fly free, but we want you to fly safe. What are you forgetting?
I'm wearing pants.
What else?
Oh, my shirt. Sorry, dude.
No, that's not it. What about your noggin? You gotta always remember to wear a helmet when you're riding a bird scooter. I gotta give you a ticket. Hey, come back here! I don't know why, just when I'm on those scooters, I just feel free.
What is it this time, officer?
What is that on your head?
You told me to get a helmet.
This helmet is not certified by the Consumer Safety Protection Agency. You need a real helmet, boy. This one's certified by Real Bird Brains. Bird. What we got? Number one in the books. Oh! Officer down! Scooters should never be parked on the sidewalk or in the public's right-of-way. Make sure you park your scooter safely out of the way of pedestrian traffic.
Call coming in from the animal shelter. Assistance needed. Helmets on.
Cool your jets, flyboy. This isn't the highway to the danger zone. This is a public sidewalk. Bird scooters belong in the street.
How am I doing this time, officer?
Well, you're doing just fine. And so will you when you learn to fly the straight and narrow. Always wear a helmet, stay off the sidewalk, and never park your bird in the public right-of-way. Well, from Lieutenant Cardinal and the rest of us at the Oak City PD, fly free, Bird Squad, and stay safe.